Persuading your team members to support your company page on LinkedIn is not as easy as it sounds. In fact, it's a common problem. Companies reporting that they don't get any engagement from their employees at all. Well, there will be several reasons why this might be the case. The first is that your employees may simply not understand LinkedIn. To them, it's probably something that's only used for job hunting or recruitment, nothing to do with them unless they are looking for a new job, which you hope is not the case. But these days, of course, LinkedIn is so very much more than that. And that's what we're trying to get across to them when we want to upskill them or train them in use of LinkedIn. Because if they don't understand what's in it for them, they're going to be very unlikely to want to build their personal brands on the platform. They won't understand the opportunities. They won't see the necessity to build a strong network or to have an active, compelling LinkedIn profile. All of those things are what you need if you want your staff to advocate well for you on your company page posts. Of course, they need encouragement and support to do this, and that starts by, of course, supporting their posts. If you've got a team member who is sufficiently au fait with LinkedIn to be already putting posts up on LinkedIn, then you as the company need to support that. And that is going to their post and commenting on it. If you do that, you'll find they're much more likely to support your own posts. Now, of course, another thing that you can be doing to encourage your employees is to write posts about them. If they're doing fantastic work out in the community, running marathons for charity, or perhaps even volunteering at the local soup kitchen, then this is a good thing for you to write about as the company and to boost their personal brand on LinkedIn. They'll be pleased, they'll get involved, they'll send it to all their own connections and family and friends. So your post will get a much wider audience. And that comes back to more opportunities for you as the company. Now, not writing posts about those employees who are doing really great things is a wasted opportunity for the company, as is silencing those employees, either through HR, legal, or comms. If you've got social media policies that are so stringent that your team members don't feel that they can or want to create content on LinkedIn or even to support you for fear of reprisals or what might happen, then it's time to relook at your social media policies. This is 2024 and workplaces have changed a great deal, and your biggest asset is going to be your employees, and that is exactly the same on LinkedIn. So the more you can do to encourage, support, upskill and train your employees to get to grips with LinkedIn and get on board with the platform and build a presence there, the better for your business.